Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders slams Moderna over a purported vaccine price hike. We break down how the $35 cap on insulin is expected to work. And a new analysis suggests that people will come to see robots as companions instead of simply using them as tools. These are the stories we'll be covering on This Week in Healthcare Tech. Hello and welcome to This Week in Healthcare Tech, where every week we bring you the hardest hitting news from the intersection of healthcare and technology. First up, in a strongly worded letter, Senator Bernie Sanders lambasted Moderna over their plan to increase the price of their vaccine to over $100 per dose. Senator Sanders' letter urged Moderna not to proceed, claiming that Moderna has already made billions in profit from the vaccine and that the new price will put it out of reach for millions of Americans without insurance. As of this recording, there has been no response from Moderna. Second, Joe Biden's Inflation Reduction Act became law in August of 2022. It includes a provision that caps out-of-pocket expenses for every insulin product covered by Medicare Part D at $35 per month. Unfortunately, because the Inflation Reduction Act passed after 2023 copays and premiums were set by the insurers, there's been a lot of confusion as to how this will impact the budgets of those managing diabetes. The main tool Medicare beneficiaries use to shop for products covered by Part D Medicare Plan Finder does not yet reflect the $35 cap. Adding to the complexity is the fact that some plans already charge less than $35 to cover insulin medications. All of this means that finding the lowest cost way of treating diabetes is going to be a headache in 2023. While it is possible for the very determined to sort through all of this on their own, you can also call 1-800-MEDICARE or get in touch with your state health insurance assistance program for help. Finally, steady progress in robotics over the past few decades has meant that smart machines have seen use in more and more places, from Tesla factory floors to Amazon warehouses. But the data suggests that they might soon be put to another use: companionship. According to forecasts from analytics firm Global Data, the market for emotional support robots could grow by 42%. There are many trends driving the push towards care robotics, including declining manufacturing costs, advances in natural language processing and emotional recognition, and populations across the world aging. Well, that's it for this episode. Tune in to This Week in Healthcare Tech next week for the latest news. And don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.